So this is a guide on how to remove an aluminium cover from the pedal frame behind it. The aluminium cover is held on by tabs which are just bent round the steel cover in this case. This is a pedal from a Megane, a Renault Megane. Obviously it's a lot easier to do like this in a vice than it is in a footwell of a car. But what you need to do is just a screwdriver and unfold each of the tabs like so. They are only aluminium, so they're not too difficult. And there you go, the aluminium frame removed from the pedal. Some pedals, like this Ford one for example, are purely held on by rubber. So all we need to do is just unfold the rubber and it simply slides off from around the pedal.